Hey, so here's the Roland P-10. I'm just going to demonstrate a couple of things, some samples that I just recorded. One thing I noticed is I left it recording by accident for 16 minutes. So those samples take much longer to trigger, as you can see here. So there's always like maybe a couple of frames delay when you hit one, but this 16-second sample takes a while to trigger. So I have this hooked up to a Vidiot in the back here. That's going out to this TV, and the TV for fun is back in the Vidiot for some feedback. So to actually sample, you hit the movie capture button here. Then I think here you can monitor on the first strike. So I'm just messing with this here, and you'll see the shape change on the feedback. And then I'll hit record again, I believe. And now all the buttons are flashing, meaning that it's recording. And when I hit one of the pads, that'll save it to that pad. So if I try, say, hit 2 here, and hit 2 again, now I got that sample playing back. I believe it is. Let me check. Yeah. So that's the actual sample playback. If I do like this, you go back to this one and back to this one. I can adjust some parameters of the sample here. Geez, this is hard. Yeah. So you can start and end frames. Audio sync, I'm not sure what that does. Audio level, never tried that. Strobe time, which is always at 0.5, but that's kind of useless. 0.1 is kind of a thing if you're into that effect. You'll see it takes a little while to process there before it's ready to go again. So that's like one of the delays. So let's say I want to like shorten that sample. I can adjust it here. Press enter and save by pressing pad program again, and it's ready to go. So yeah, there's that that little delay there. So let me try another capture here. So I'll press movie again. It's doing this thing. I can adjust that. Let's say I can yeah, there. So that's a little more animated. So then I would press movie again, at which point the other ones start blinking, the available ones. So that's going to be recording until I select one of the pads. So here I'm just going to mess around with some stuff here. It's a very basic patch on the Vidiot. And then I'll hit 4, at which point if I hit it again, then it starts playing. So it's pretty fast to capture. One thing to note is the quality of those samples is not as good as if you use the Roland utility. Has a bit more quality. Like if you use the computer software to convert a video file to load in, those will have a bit more smoothness to the animation. So I think that's it. I might do a part 2. Thanks.